Are you tired of cleaning? Guess what? Cleaning just got lazy and smarter. Meet the ultimate lazy hack, the Roomba iRobot i5 Plus, the smart home companion that does the dirty work for you so you don't have to lift a finger. Say goodbye to vacuuming chores with cutting-edge automation and app control. Your home stays spotless, all while you chill. Ready to embrace the future of effortless cleaning? Let's go. Make sure you stay all the way to the end, as I'll be rating these robot vacuums and I'll be telling you the things that I like and I don't like about it. This is the iRobot Roomba i5 Plus that comes with a self-emptying bin that automatically empties into a large waste station. It comes with these multi-surface brushes which work together to loosen, lift and pick up dirt. They are also designed to adapt to different floor types for comprehensive cleaning, so you can be used on hard surfaces or carpets. It has 2 charging contacts and caster wheel. It also has this edge sweeping brush which extends cleaning reach to the edges or corners. It has these 2 wheels which helps you to navigate when cleaning. This Roomba iRobot also has some cliff sensors which detects drops or stairs to prevent the Roomba from falling off the edge. And it also has the dustbin. You can also get a combo bin which allows you to vacuum and mop at the same time. iRobot Roomba i5 Plus can be used to clean all floor types. Here I'm cleaning my laminate floor. Try as much as possible to clear the area where you want to vacuum. This robot vacuum features a smart mapping and it does clean in neat rows by cleaning in straight lines. According to Roomba website, it's good for cleaning pet hair, but I do not own a pet, so I cannot confirm this. It's also great for cleaning around the edge of a table or chair. As you can see here, it's trying to clean around the table leg and it has a clever way of removing the dirt. One thing that I noticed with this robot vacuum is it tends to bump into furniture and obstacles frequently while navigating. It is also perfect for cleaning under the chairs, especially in the areas where you can't reach while you're vacuuming on a day-to-day basis. As I mentioned before, this robot vacuum tends to clean in a straight line, just like the way it's doing now. Here, while it was vacuuming, it kind of missed this particle and then it came back again and sucked it up, which is perfect. That's what you want. The best thing about this Roomba i5 Plus, you can control and schedule your cleaning sessions anywhere, anytime using the iRobot Home app, where you can set your cleaning schedules, you can select specific rooms or start a quick clean all at your fingertips. It can also connect to Alexa's or Google Home to allow you to use the voice command. Here's some of the things that I like about Roomba i5 Plus. It has the self-emptying bin, which kind of reduces the frequency of manual emptying. It can be used on multiple surfaces, on carpets and hard floors. It allows you to set the cleaning schedules via the app. The use of app control and voice compatibility via Alexa or Google Assistant. It does a good job on cleaning the surfaces. As long as it can locate the clean base, it will return to the dock when the battery is low and resumes cleaning after the recharging. Make sure you stick all the way to the end, as I'll be sharing with you my favorite part about this robot vacuum. So here are some of the cons about this iRobot Roomba i5 Plus. It costs more than £500, which makes it expensive than the basic robot vacuums, and is also limited to one floor plan where you can save one map at a time, making multi-floor home cleaning less flexible. It has a little bit of navigation challenges where it bumps into furniture and obstacles frequently. It also has battery life limitation where it might not cover very large areas in one charge. And another thing you need to bear in mind, it has to replace your accessories where the dust bag needs regular replacement, and these are not reusable or recyclable, which contribute to waste. I've also noticed it has some connection issues where occasionally it loses connection with the base. And if this happens, you might have to restart your base. It cannot clean stairs as it's only limited to single level surfaces. So here's the final result of the carpet after it has been vacuumed by the iRobot Roomba i5 Plus. It does a good job and it saves you a lot of time cleaning. Literally, you just need to use the app and connect it and it does all the cleaning. And when the cleaning is finished, it will send you a message on the app saying the job has been done. It really does a good job. Apart from the corners, as I mentioned before, it kind of struggles a little bit to pick up some bits on the corners or around the furnitures. But apart from that, I can't fault this machine. I will rate the Roomba i5 Plus 7.5 out of 10. A few more things that I forgot to mention. The dustbin itself could be larger as it fills up fairly quickly and require frequent emptying between cleaning session. And also the robot is a little bit loud, so if you don't mind those things, it should be okay. Once the cleaning has been completed, you just need to press the home button, and thanks to its self-emptying feature, the bin automatically empties into a large container in the base station, so you don't have to get your hands dirty. And yeah, that can be a little bit loud. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. We even tried the cliff sensors, which detects drops or stairs to prevent the Roomba from falling off the edge. We're not too sure how it's going to work, so I had to let my little girl to stay at the other side of the stairs and try and catch it just in case it decides to fall off. But it did not. It gave me a warning that I need to check the app, and the Roomba was stuck off the cliff. I had needed to go and move it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.